Taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine light. And we invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body, Deva's higher self, in teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to reference all of your eyes, your third eye, your physical eyes, your energetic eyes, for you, the soul, for your body, for your teams. All of the ways in which you see. And then inviting your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, and teams to reference all the crystalline structures within and around all of your mechanisms for seeing. And in the energetic fields, you might also have a field that is your vision. It's like this big bubble. It's fairly thin. It's like your vision bubble. And so you're just holding space to reference all of those energetic mechanisms for seeing how you gather information. And then inviting your higher self, body, Deva's higher self, and teams to gently repair, clean all the crystalline structures within and around all of those mechanisms. Cleaning all of the crystalline structures within and around the third eye. The eyes with color, sound, aroma, light. And there are colors that come through when the veils are thin that have the ability to repair your etheric vision, energetic vision. So take a moment to hold space for those colors to wash over your eyes, through your eyes, the crystalline structures within and around your eyes, your third eye, your vision field, balancing the electrical and the magnetic energy within the etheric vision fields, mechanisms, crystalline structures, third eye, eyes, perhaps even the eyes of your heart, the eyes where you see beyond. And within. Take a moment to let yourself be in that energy, to be in that repair, that cleaning, that balancing, that harmonizing, that strengthening. And one other thread on this is to recognize that you, the soul, have your own unique way of seeing. Your body has its own unique way of seeing. Your teams have their own unique way. And every day encouraging yourself to be in your own unique way of seeing through your own lens that is magic, that is aligned, that is authentic, to value it deeply. That supports the blooming of your mastery. Balancing and stabilizing your fields, updating your grids, all ways in which you perceive and are perceived in all realms. Oh.